Hey everyone, it's Donna. And I think I've got a really good wantable here. I got the spring edit from Wantable. I have a new stylist, her name is Meg, and I think she picked out some cute things. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. Hang on. Okay, we had a slight glitch, so let's get started. It messed up on the first item, so that's good. But this company, Babo. This is the floral ruffle neck button-up top in blue. It's a small. And it looks like it has a small cami that goes under it. I was wondering what that was hanging out of there. So, okay, we'll lay that over here. Next item, and I kind of like this one. The Venetia embroidered shirt in blue stripe. It's a small. Now I think I asked them for a medium because you are allowed to pick out certain things, but this is a fairly big top. So maybe they decided to keep it as a small. Isn't that adorable? Look at the little lemons on it. I think I'm going to like this. If it fits right, that's cute. That's cute. And then we have this one by Roxy, and I love the colors in it. I love bright colors. This is the Sunset Stripe Sweater in Cloud Dancer, a Cowabunga stripe. $84 by Roxy. Now I could see wearing that with a pair of shorts. That's really, really, really cute. And then we come to some shorts. And these are the longer shorts. They've got a name. Are they called jorts or something? I can't remember. This is by Driftwood. And these are adorable. And I have a feeling they're going to have an adorable price to them. $148. The Kayla mid-length short in cherry on top. The 27 waist. Let me show you the back. Aren't those cute? Those are cute. And they are embroidered. Very cute. Then we have a pair of C's shorts. And I think these are a 4-inch inseam, they look like to me. $69, the Abby Twill short in Kalamata. Size 4. A lot of nice stretch to them. And I'm going to do a try on so you guys can see them. And then I love these pants. If they fit, I'll probably buy these by Micah. One of my favorite brands. Has small flowers embroidered on them. Those daisies. This is a high-rise embroidered straight leg jean in mid blue. It's a 27 waist. These are cute. Put this there. And then we have some white pants, and I did request some white pants, and these are Micah. Good brand. $89 mid-rise cropped wide leg jean in white chocolate. You can see they're just like I have a pure white on right now. You can see the difference there. These are pretty. I like the pockets in the front. You see that? Something kind of different. And one more item. Oh, we have actually two. And I kind of like these. Mica, again. Look at these pants. Aren't those cool? You could put any color with this, like just to pop it on a solid color on the top. Like a pink or a blue jean shirt or anything. Or just as a plain little white top, pullover, maybe with a high crew neck. This would be cute. These are the super high rise striped wide leg jean in brandy. Let's see how much give. Oh yeah, gotta give. Here's the back. Couple pockets in the back. And they are stinking cute. And they do have a belt loop. Want to make sure you can see those. And then they sent me some sunglasses. Let's see what's in here. These are $42. The geometric edge sunglasses in tortoise, which is a popular frame to have this year. Oh, these are cute. I actually have a pair of glasses that sort of look like this. Aren't those adorable? I'll try those on when I get some shorts on things. Oh, these are cute. Hang on, I'm going to do a try on and I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, I've got on the Roxy top and the C's shorts. Hang on. I like them both. I can see myself wearing both of these items. I mean, I may have a pair of shorts, pretty much this color, but I do not have a top like this, and I do like the top, the sweater. So let's keep looking. Hang on. Okay, I have the thread and supply top. This is adorable. I put a little white top underneath, and I put it on with the mica pants. Hang on, and I have these sunglasses. So I'm going to back it up so you can see these pants and the length. I'm 5'5". Hang on. Maybe I should turn this down just a little so you can, there we go. And hopefully you can see the length of it, I hope. Go like that. How's that? So anyway, and then I have the sunglasses. So they're cute. Let's think about them. All right, hang on, we've got more. But I do love this top. And the pants are very comfortable. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to show you these striped pants. And I put on a Liverpool stretchy little jean jacket I have. But I wanted you to see this. Hang on. They come right above, I'm 5'5", they come right above my ankle. And I'm wondering if you could wear heels with this to dress it up. Throw in some heels or sandals. But I feel like it needed a pop of color, and you could honestly put any color with these pants. So, I'll have to think about this one. All right, let's keep going. Micah, 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 why do you have to make such stinking cute clothing? Hang on. I want you to see these pants. And I just left a blue jean jacket on because I just had it on, but I think these pants, even with this old blue jean jacket, because people this year are wearing a lot of denim on denim, so I think this would be a cute outfit right here. Let me show you, back it up. They are the perfect length. Well, guess what? I think I like those striped pants and these pants and that embroidered shirt. Hang on, we've got more. Okay, now we've got on the $128 shorts. And I just put this on. And they're cute. And I know this is the style. In fact, they're going even longer. But for $128, I've got cuter things. So we've got maybe one or two more things. Let's see what's over here. Hang on. Okay, I have on the Babo top. These are a pair of Democracy shorts. Still have the tag on them that I bought about a month ago out of a Wantable box, and I just brought them along just in case I needed a pair of jean shorts. I saw them laying at the top of the shorts drawer and I grabbed them. So I'm glad I did, but this top has a cami underneath of it. I like it, but then I keep thinking, would I wear this in northern Michigan? You know, if I was in Florida or someplace else, I might reach for this, but I don't know if I'd reach for it up here. So kind of torn about it. It's pretty top. Anyway, I do think that I'm going to keep this striped pants, the light daisy pants, jeans, and the striped, light blue striped shirt with the lemons on it. So I think it's going to be my pick 3. Anyway, please subscribe. Down below in the description box of this video, there is a link. If you want to sign up for your very first box of Wantable, you'll get $25 off. It's free shipping. So if you don't like it, you can send it back. No big deal. And if you use my affiliate link, that saves you $25. So please subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.